All right, guys. So Pop Pop, say bye to Pop Pop. All right, baby. All right, guys. So I've got my work cut out for me. So those of us that are starting out on this journey of getting your life back together, we're going to include that within the gardening. So we're going to only do 10 to 15 minutes a day. If it's raining, you do 10 to 15 minutes somewhere else. But for me, this area here, let me see if I can back a little bit, just so that you can see it. So this area here, this is all I'm focusing on right now. But I'm going to go inside and sketch out the type of plants. I thought about lavender now that this is going to be full sun, okay? So I thought about trimming it out in lavender around here. But you can tell me what you would do in this area. I recently just planted some hellebores. I think that's ice and roses. That's ice and roses, and I think that's just ice. And just putting a little bit here and there, but my hostas are coming up. My hostas, and we're going to possibly have to move them, you know. Wherever there's a little dark spot, that's where a hosta is. You know how that goes. Hostas. And these are just some Japanese magnolias that I picked up last year from a garden center. Might have been a Walmart garden center, because we were going through Walmart to get some soil just to put in a hole, just a big bag just to fill up a hole. So, but we're going to decide what we're going to do with those. So here it is. It's all cleaned. See those skies? Oh my word. But this is Saturday, like I said, March, I think the 9th, 2024. And the rain came yesterday. I think 2 good days of rain. Thursday and Friday. Mostly Friday, thunderstorms. So, but it's nice. It's like 60 degrees or something like that. It's nice. Getting ready for the mugginess. And putting down the weed and feed on this Bermuda sparse grass. But this is what we're doing. Okay? I'm going to leave this with y'all. This may even be a short. It's a little pot that we put together. This is the thing that came in cut. Got some yellow tulips going to be popping up there soon. You see our lemon bush. Here we go, our lemon trees. And I saw some buds creeping out. I didn't have any leaves last year. Something else I picked up and wasn't planning on it, but that's how we do. All right, guys. Now I'm just rambling. See you soon.